I'm in Fort Stevens. This is, what is the name of this stuff? Do you know? Coffee berry? Coffin. What? It's like coughing, like where you go to sleep when you die. Is that it? This is Gothenburg Lake. Super cool scenery right here. I have my cameraman Darius on the back. And we're gonna be unboxing this little beauty right here, which is the DJI RS4 Combo. This, my friends, it's a stabilizer. Stabilizer. That thing, okay? So let's get to it. Let's get to it, guys. Okay. Ooh, nice case. By the way, I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to record this stuff. So I'm kind of in the DJI family at this point. This is nice. You saw that? Fancy. This is a nice case. I would have preferred kind of a hard case. I don't know if I'm gonna get one, but we'll see. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so that's the top part right there. Please remove foam before use, obviously. Goes over here. Okay. So I have manuals, all the paper stuff. What else? Ah, here it is. Okay. Look. Okay, so this is one of the handles, I guess. Now I want to know. Okay, so that's the tripod. Okay. That's pretty cool. Where's the other part? There has to be something else, right? The funny thing is that it's windy here, so papers are flying away. Yeah, just put that on top. Okay, so this is the handle. This is one of the handles. There's a lot of moving parts on this, guys. Oh, this is a motor thing. Okay, so this is what I'm really excited about because this can actually be used to control the manual lenses. The reason I got this one, the regular one, doesn't have this. You have to buy it and it's extra. So, let me see what else. What else is here? Check. Okay, so this is the plate. That's the base plate, guys. Oh, this is to put the motor in. Pretty cool. The question is, am I gonna be able to assemble all this? I don't know. I'm gonna try. Cables, very important, right? So what cables we're gonna see right now? We have USB-C to USB 2 and couple USB-C to USB-C. My camera assistant, Darius. You wanna say something?
Like what?
Like what? Or whatever. I don't know.
Hello.
Is this your first YouTube video? Not your first. You have a channel.
Yeah.
He has a channel. What is the channel?
Not D4RIU5.
Jesus Christ, you haven't changed the name, bro. What in the world? Oh, he has stickers, bro. Oh, yeah. Look, nice. This is cool. This is probably gonna go on my car. Nasty bugs. I don't like it. They smell my blood. I think this is the one, okay? So that's Okay, that's good. Bro, that's thick. Look at that. Where does this go? So if I'm doing this, I'm gonna put it on the left side. Okay. Step one is actually charging it. So turn it on and then go to this QR code. If it doesn't have a battery, this is gonna be a short video. Did it turn on? Well, it doesn't have batteries, guys. Sorry. This is probably gonna be just the unboxing then. This is extremely nice. Are you gonna say something else?
Subscribe.
Oh, okay. Now we're talking. So, guys, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any other video from us. And until next one,